So, I've been waiting for this moment for a very long time. I'm moving into my own place, my fiance and I. So I just thought I'd do like a quick apartment tour, which you guys can already see I'm in the place. But just like a quick apartment tour just to show you where we gonna be staying and things. So I'm just gonna go to the door, I'm pointing at the door, and then show you guys. Welcome to my new place. Okay, so this is just the lounge area. It's quite big. That's the window. And then when you come in, this is my kitchen. Like some cleaning supplies there. We came to clean the place last night. And then you go. This is the bathroom. It's quite spacious. And then we have the bedroom and my cupboards. I actually love how spacious the cupboards are. There's like a lot of space to put. I don't know if everything's gonna fit though, but I love that there's space. I'm just going back to the kitchen. And here as well. Like there seems to be a lot of like room for my things. Drawers. My stove. This is my new place, guys. I'm so happy and excited to be moving. We are actually going to move today, so just came to drop off a few things and then we're gonna go and get the other things. Yeah, so hopefully I'll be able to do like a furnished apartment tour once everything is done, which is going to be in a few months, hopefully. But yeah, welcome to my new place. This is where I'm going to be recording from now on. I love the fact that the walls are like super white. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying to but the walls are like super white, which is going to be like my new recording area. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.